Let's look at the colors. Where are colors? Colors. Red color. Red. Green color. Green. Yellow color. Yellow. Blue color. Blue. Red color. Green color. Yellow color. Blue color. Colors. Yay! Let's look at colors. Colors. Red color. Green color. Yellow color. Blue color. Orange color. Pink color. Purple color. The colors. Red, green, yellow, blue, orange, pink, purple. The colors. I love colors. Yay! You can have multiple different types of objects like this. The objects should be all the same by look and size, just that they'll be different colors. You can have them in the line of sight, so you can easily point at them. Every day you can come at this spot and just show your child the colors. Red, yellow, green, orange, blue, purple, gray. The colors. I love colors. Yay! We're gonna play with colorful balloons. Balloon. Look at this. Red balloon. Red. Red, red, red. You like it, don't you? Green balloon. Green. Green, green, green. Purple balloon. Purple. Purple, purple, purple. Look at this. Pink. Pink balloon. Pink, pink, pink. Do you wanna sit? You can sit. Look. So many balloons. You can't have it. You can't have it in your hand. You're little. It's a red balloon. How about if I do it? Bum, bum. Red, red, red balloon. Go red balloon. Pink balloon. Pink balloon. Pink,